Hello guys. Once again we have start the Hindu analyzation due to my some personal reason. I have stopped previous one, but I can merge both of the videos. So we continue. Another big news is no import tax on rare disease medicines and foods. It means government not levied tax on necessities items which are import from other countries who are using for primary or basic disease or basic medicines for disease, rare disease, and food. This come from after when the health ministries issue exemption list Thursday 30th March 2023. Then again it is surcharge on that tax. So again big news is 14 that in several roofs collapsed at Indore temple. Uh, uh, I I think Baleshwar Mahadev Jhulelal temple where the devotees pray at the occasion of Ram Navami, but the stepwell roof is collapsed due to overweight or its construction is very previous. So around 14 dead and some more are injured. The MP government has announced 55 lakh rupees for kin families each families and 50,000 rupees for injured person, every injured person. And another big news is today IPL has started for the year 2023. Today's first match played between today will have played match between uh, Gujarat Titans and Chennai Super King. Uh, Another. So we can go to next news. Another big news is UP government issue alerts amid slight rise in COVID-19 cases. We can discuss already this previously, so we cannot discuss it again. CBI arrests Delhi hospital surgeon and four others on graft charges. CBI arrest four persons grafting case, corruption or bribe case. So it is not an important. So we can again turn a page and tension in Sambhaji Nagar after clashes between two groups on Ram Navami. We can already discuss on that. Uh, Today's is big news is mixed response to new pattern of subordinate service exam in UP. Uh, whenever UPPCS notification came out, the student or aspirants are getting nervous due to changing in little changes in pattern. First, the optional subject is gone. That is the relaxation news for the aspirants who are preparing for the UPPCS. But the second, others two subjects are added who can relate only specific knowledge about UP, not other states. Related to UP disaster management, UP police, UP cadre, UP's district, UP's everything is about UP, not other states. So that is a real nervous to those students who are preparing for UPSC, who are also a second choice for UPPCS or other states PCS exam. But now the UPSC candidates is worse due to he is also preparing he is also preparing UPPCS, so he is preparing others two subjects, so is so quite difficult. And one more thing, in UPPCS exam vacancies are very little but syllabus are very broad, so that we can say that is not a real good chance for students. Others big in news is UP issue draft notification for quota in local bodies poll. Um, after the after the UP's conversion or diversion on civic body polls for quota or non-quota, but after that the final decision has came. The UP civic poll is announced on OBC quota panel or Maha municipal and Mahapalikas are also reserved on reserve list, and Agra seat goes to SC scheduled caste women reservation. That is not important. Huh. Today's an editorial is very important. GPT-4 a shift from what it can do to what it arguer. It is an technology based or IT based editorial, but very helpful for those who are preparing for UPSC or maybe GPT is just like assistant program or a more beneficial for those who are very laziest, or just like you can click a picture and upload it and ask it about it. GPT's complete analyzation of it, about it. It is an project of Microsoft and American based companies. It is an artificial intelligence program, GPT programming for. It is also some disadvantages for those schools and colleges who are conducting exams. If student are entered with the handset or his mobile phone, so he herself he can analyze complete paper with the help of GPT-4 version. So it is an very doubtful key that he is useful or not. Another Vacom, a satyagrah and the fight for social justice. It is a story based on Kerala's vacuum and some freedom fighters who are fighting against British government at the period of 1800 it is in 19th century, when the Tamil Nadu is also at that place. So vacuum is a place that is called vacuum temple. The piezoelectric effect in liquids. It is a science-based topic, not for relevant for SSC or other students. So I can quit this. So I can continue. Text and context. How the John Wick's franchise revitalized an entire genre. It is also an movie based, not important for exam based. The issue with the quality control order for the fibers, it is an real topic. Today the health ministry has also check and balances marks on quality of fibers which we can consume we for daily needs. So it is an important, and some tax that are upgraded by the health ministry, the FCCI quality control order. Germany says it's watching Rahul case closely, set of BJP Congress aspect. In the rivalry between BJP and Congress in India, outsiders, outing countries or foreign countries is also enjoying the debate. Someone comments on the Modi's government or Rahul's, that is an internal issue that is not good for Germany's foreign policy. So this is almost over. Ancestry records to shed light on India's past. Uh, Previous records or means Lekpal, who records the every persons who have a area in that area, and that land has occupied by that. So it is or not. Disinvestment facing many challenges. Government, uh, financial ministers very worrying about the disinvestment program from the PG, just like disinvestment. Public sectors are sold to private firms for those. That's why disinvestment programs comes to lead and over expenditures. So guys, today's agenda is complete. We have to complete a complete analysis of the Hindu newspaper. So let's bye, take care, meet once again tomorrow.